This video will show you how to replace the front wiper blades on a Chrysler Town Country. You'll have two of these, one along each side of the lower aspect of your windshield. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now when you open up your package with the wiper blades, you're going to find that one wiper blade is considerably longer than the other. The longer wiper blade is the one for the driver's side. The process will be the same for either wiper blade, so I'll be showing you the driver's side. As I mentioned, just go ahead and repeat that process for the passenger side. The first thing we want to make sure you do is remove the protective strip from along the wiper blade. Go ahead and set that aside for disposal. At this point, we're going to take hold of our wiper arm. As we start lifting this up, keep in mind it is under spring pressure, trying to bring it down towards the windshield. We do not want this to go down and hit the windshield and potentially break it. Just keep that in mind. We're holding the wiper arm throughout this entire process. Continuing on, this wiper blade has a small adapter. It's essentially like a locking mechanism. I'm using a small pocket screwdriver, and essentially I'm just going to make my way along here, start separating that ear. I'll go on the opposite side, separate that ear as well, and then I should be able to lift this up and out of position. Not all wiper blades will have this locking tab. Now at this point, as I mentioned, we're holding onto the wiper arm. We'll be holding onto the wiper blade. We should be able to slide these two apart. There it is, friend. One thing I would mention, during the installation of the new wiper blade, it is a good idea to have a clean windshield so you don't cause any damage to that brand new blade. Go ahead and clean everything down and give that wiper arm a close inspection. Let's prepare to install that brand new wiper blade. Now, of course, the wiper arm will have to fit into this slot here. We'll lift that arm up. Now, as we bring this over to being in position, we have the hooked area on the wiper arm. We're sliding our adapter all the way on. Listen for an audible click. Give it a tug. Make sure it's secured. It needs to be secured so it does not come off while you're driving down the road. Let's carefully rest this down onto the windshield. Okay friend, we showed you the installation of one of your front wiper blades. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the process for one will be the same as the other. Now once you've completed that, you of course do want to put your key in the on position and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.